Now we are gonna focus on the styling part. We are gonna do little bit of styling. Most of the functionality we have implemented. So from the styling perspective, right now what is happening is our this input box is actually touching our screen left and right. What would be the best thing is if we can have a width to our container so that we have some space towards left and right. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to our home component, and here we have this container section, and what we are gonna do is we are gonna add container and then the margin auto from left and right, and now you can see this is looking fine. Okay, so most of the things are fine. Now if you will see, the error is coming like a text. We should do some styling here so that it stand out like an error rather than a text. So we will do a bg red. We will have a block background color, sorry, then a padding 4, and because the color is red, we can try black color, and we can have a font weight bold, and we can say oops, no result found, and whatever the user has searched, which is actually in search term characters, we can actually pass it to our error component here. Yeah, search term, we can put search term characters like this. Go to error, receive it here, and then for for search term, yeah, and we can style it also. For styling, we can have class name, and I think it is italic, I'm not sure, I'm just taking a guess. Let's see. Okay, so the term is not this is not coming here. Why it is not coming? Let's see. Because s is missing. Now let's go back. You can see this is coming. I don't know what is the italic for that. What is the class name for italic? So what we can do is, instead of font italic, let me just do italic. Yeah, italic. Okay, so now this is looking much better. Now let's do one more test. From styling perspective, we are good, but there is one issue I can see. So for example, I am doing a no result. When I am doing my backspace from my keyboard, it should also give me my initial data back, which is not happening. So I have to refresh this again and again. This is not what I am looking for. So how we can fix it and why this is happening? So why this is happening, it's an interesting thing. The reason is, if you will see, what we are doing is we are doing search on characters. Okay, so we are doing search on characters. So now what is happening is, for example, I did Rick. Okay, now these 4 are available in search result, and in set characters I am setting this. So in characters I have these four characters only. Now when I am doing a backspace or anything, only out of those 4 that changed state, it is giving me the output, which is a wrong thing. So what I should be doing, I should be actually doing one small change. Instead of doing it on characters, I should be doing the filtration on initial data. So let me go back and let me type error, and now you can see this is fixed. Okay, so now I will do Rick. You can see our data is coming. Okay, so only one small change and this issue is fixed. So yeah, I think now this is looking pretty good. The code, the repo of this code is in the description box, so you can check that. now I'm gonna make a separate video where I'm gonna talk about the optimization of this code, and then we are gonna go into the test cases of this code. Now if you wanted to do the optimization of this code, there are a few places where we can do. I will just give you a high level so that if you wanted to do it by yourself, you can do it. So one of the thing is, let me start with here. So this method, we can have a hook for our API call. So this is the first thing. Now the next thing is, here this input could be a search component, separate search component, and we can use that. Then this whole pagination can be also a separate component, so that we can reuse that. Then we have this URL, and wherever we have text, we can create a separate constant files, and we can have these constants coming from there. So that is also we can do. And we can also introduce context here for our data or search terms. That is also we can do. So these are the few optimization we can definitely do in this code. So if you wanted to do it by yourself, please do it. Otherwise I will make another separate video where I'm gonna take you through all the optimization part. So till then, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section if you have any follow-up question. I'm happy to answer you. Take care. Bye.